Welcome to English Prep AI, the unified path to English mastery, the one application that does it all. Preparing for English exams often feels like a fragmented struggle. You might use a textbook for grammar, a tutor for speaking, and separate apps for other skills. This results in an expensive, disorganized, and draining prep experience. We believe preparation should be unified. At the studio, we reject the fragmented approach and present a single solution to this complex problem. Welcome to the Core Assessment Center, a robust, AI-powered engine designed to evaluate reading, listening, speaking, and writing against international standards. It rests on three pillars: standardized test simulations, CEFR assessments, and the diagnostic test. Pillar 1 focuses on standardized test simulations. The problem is often test anxiety, not lack of knowledge. Our solution is full-scale simulations that mimic the pressure and format of global exams, helping you stay steady and calm. These simulations help predict your score before the official exam. We offer preparation for TOEFL, IELTS, Duolingo, and PET with full-length mock tests and instant AI analysis. Pillar 2 is the CEFR assessments, focused on mastering the skill, not just the test. Aligned with the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, these tools map your standing on the global A1-C2 scale. To master active skills like speaking and writing, we provide AI-evaluated speech analysis with color-coded feedback and automated essay scoring that checks for structure, vocabulary, and grammar. Mastering passive skills, listening and reading, involves comprehension tests with varied global English accents and complex analysis from academic journals to general narratives. Pillar 3 is the diagnostic test, your starting line. This tool analyzes your strengths and weaknesses across all skills, providing a personalized roadmap to guide your study plan. Our focus is mastery, not monetization. Unlike competitors who charge per test and offer delayed feedback, the studio provides a comprehensive dashboard, instant AI grading, and CEFR standardized assessments. The unified solution means one platform, no more juggling apps. You benefit from anxiety reduction through full-scale simulations, CEFR-aligned global standards, instant AI feedback, and a clear roadmap from diagnostic testing. Ready to see where you stand? Take the free diagnostic test now. No credit card is required.